Hey mammal students, this is Dr. Martin coming to you from the Rogers State University Conservation Education Reserve, where I just stepped on a snake as it was going into the water. Hey, it's where it's safe. You can still get out and do some stuff in nature where you don't have an order keeping you to stay at home. But here's some things we need to talk about for lab. You still have about 100 points available for your lab grade. 100 points came from your first exam in lab, but you still have 100 points available in lab. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do two things. The first is I told you to download the iNaturalist app. And what that app is used for is use the camera on your phone to document the locations and the identifiable plants, insects, birds, mammals, fish, snakes, critters, whatever. And it goes international, and other people weigh in and validate your identification, your species name, your scientific name, family, things like that. And so that's what I need you to do. It's literally a camera-driven identification citizen science tool. So here's what you have to do. You have to find and capture 5 mammals or mammal signs, mammal nests, mammal hair, mammal tracks, whatever you have to do to document 5 mammals that you have seen, captured by photo, uploaded into the iNaturalist app, let it go viral, and identify it to family, identify it to genus, species, identify everything you can, the backstory behind that capture, and then I will get on every single student's iNaturalist page and I will document that for your points. 10 points for every entry, for mammals only. Now, some of you have already used this. You've had Dr. Peden's class. You've already done this. I see Aaron and several people, Tyler, that have uploaded things, but they're mostly insects, frogs, critters, and other critters, but these have to be mammals. Hey, if you have to go somewhere to find a mammal, hey, I was on my back porch last night, a squirrel runs across the yard. Hey, I was in my back porch last spring and a woodchuck runs across my backyard. So don't tell me you can't find these things. You can get out and find them. If you have some traps that you've already used, some Sherman live traps that you've gotten from me, you can use those to make some captures, take some pictures, turn them loose. It's a catch and release for mammals. I'll have some traps in the back of my truck. My truck is always parked at the same parking place on campus. It's a black Ford Toyota Tundra. In the back, I'll have a backpack with about 50 or 60 Sherman live traps. Stop by, get in the back of the truck, steal 2 of those traps out of the back of my truck, set them at home, set them in your yard, set them in a wood pile or barn or whatever, catch something, use your gloves just like I did, get them out of the trap, take a good picture, identify it. I'll help you identify it, upload it in iNaturalist. There's your points. So you got 50 points. We're gonna try to get the other 50 points later, and here in a week or so, I'll put up some more instructions for that. But hey, get outside where you can, where it's safe, where it's allowed, where it's legal, and encounter some mammals and start uploading into your iNaturalist. Let me know when you do.